Hi guys, this pasta recipe was in trends not long ago. Let's try to cook it together. So we pour some olive oil on the pan, put a piece of butter, now we put tomatoes like this, and this is a chopped big onion and some garlic together, 3 or 4 pieces of garlic. Now we leave it for 5 minutes and cover it. Now we try remove the skin from the tomatoes. Now we need to crush the tomatoes like this. And leave it for a couple more minutes. After a couple minutes, we add some olives on it. Then mix it. Ground pork, around 1.5 pound. Mix it a little bit. This is a better tool to do this. And cover this again. And now we add just some spices from Costco. It's pretty salt, so you decide. Depends on you how much. As for me, that's enough. And now we pour the pasta. Mix it. Let's add some water. Looks good as for me. So let's give it a try. As usual, delicious, not bad.